I'm really excited in this video to introduce you to the 9 dimensions of engagement model. In this model, you'll see there are 9 different ways and 9 different dimensions that you can vary and flex in any of your organizational gatherings, meetings, and workshops, etc. That you can flex these different dimensions to really boost engagement. There are 9 different dimensions. The first one is group size. So you can vary groups from large to small to increase engagement. Then you can think about changing thinking styles. So the way that you ask people to think about different topics, from thinking individually to thinking together as a group, and many dimensions in between. Then you can change the way participants are involved in sessions, from unidirectional to multidirectional involvement in sessions. Then you can think about the complexity of the challenge and the instructions that you give to people, from being very loosely structured to very organized and very tightly structured. You can vary in between there as well. Dimension 5 is around energy fields, from a calm energy to quite a chaotic energy. You can vary the way that energy is brought into your session to also boost engagement. Then we move into dimension 6, which is challenge levels, which is thinking about how people apply the skills and knowledge that they have to new or different situations, and varying in between existing or new skills to new or different, new or unknown situations. Then we can also vary time and place as dimension 7, where we ask people to work at the same time, same place, or different times and different places, and multiple variations in between that. Dimension 8 is what we call VALK modalities. VALK is an acronym that stands for visual, auditory, reading and writing, or kinesthetic. So the types of activity that we ask people to do, by varying between the different modalities, we can also boost engagement. And finally, dimension 9 refers to the seasons of conversation. So the different types of conversations do we have? Do we have reflective conversations, inspiring conversations, conversations that ask us to harvest and celebrate what we've done, or conversations that get us into practicing and exploring? So there are different types of conversations. Now, there's a lot more detail that goes behind each one of these dimensions, and there are a number of different variations inside of each one of these dimensions that you can vary and change to keep boosting engagement in your sessions. I have another course called Engagement Matters that is a great course that goes into the details of every one of these different dimensions and walks you through tips and traps on how to apply those in any of your gatherings, as well as shows you how I have applied these 9 dimensions in different training sessions and meetings and workshops that I have led and facilitated. So if you're interested, you can check out the Engagement Matters course. You can find that on my website, www.islandinspirations.co, or you can reach out to me by email or here on the platform. My email is trisha.conyers@islandinspirations.co. I hope you're going to dive in and explore this model some more, learn about each of the different dimensions, and keep boosting engagement in your sessions so that you see the benefit of engagement and effectiveness leading to better productivity in your sessions. Good luck.